Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a piano tutorial on Always Remember Us This Way, which is a song that Lady Gaga sings in the film A Star Is Born. So we're going to look at 4 different sections in this video. So the verse, the chorus, the middle 8 section, and also the outro. So we're going to do the right hand first, which goes straight into the verse. So there's not really like a separate intro. So the first chord we're going to play is A minor, which is A, C, and E. So you're going to play this 4 times on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to move down to F major, which is F, A, C. And you're going to play this for 4 beats as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to play C major, but an inversion, which is G, C, and E. So this is C major second inversion. And you're going to play that for 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to keep your thumb where it is. Bring those 2 fingers in to play G major, which is G, B, and D. And you're going to play that for 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the progression is A minor, F major, C major, and then G major. So let's try joining all of that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a chord progression then for the verse. Let's look at the left hand. The left hand is just following the root notes of those chords. So it's playing A, F, C, and G. So I have my thumb on the C below middle C, which is this one. So the C below middle C. And then all of the notes there are under your fingers, so you won't need to move your left hand. And you're just going to sustain the single notes in the left hand whilst you play the chords in the right hand on the beat. So let's try doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that repeats, and then that's the verse done. So now let's have a look at the chorus. So we've got an A minor chord again for 4 beats. And then we have the C major inversion chord. So all you're going to do is from the A minor, is move your thumb to G, and you're there. So it's a nice easy transition. You're going to hold the C for 4 beats. And then back to the A minor. And then move down 1 to G major for 4 beats. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have this. So all I'm doing there is going from A minor to G for 1, and then straight back to A minor. And then we have F major, G, C. And then to finish that off, we're going to play those last 3 chords again, but holding for 2 beats each this time. So F, 2, G, 2, C. That stops there, and then it's into the next verse. The left hand again is just following the root notes of those chords. A, C, A, G, and then A, G, A, F, G, C, F, G, C. If you can, try playing all of those notes in octaves if you have the handspan, but if not, just play single notes, just as I showed you then. So let's try the chorus all together. A minor, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A minor, G, A minor. F, G, C. F, G, C. So let's have a look at the middle 8 section then. So we have a new chord, which is a B flat major. Try and play it with your 1, 3, 5, and if you're not used to playing with your thumb or your little fingers on the black notes, just move your hand further up the keys like that. We have B flat, D and F. All the chords in this next chord progression are all held for 4 beats each. So we've got B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could play on the beat as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat major again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then F again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have G for 3 beats, 1, 2, 3. You could play it for a 4th beat, or you could go, which is quite fun, which leads back into the chorus. So just start as high up or as low. Then you've got to make sure that you land on the first chord of the chorus, which is the A minor. And be careful that you don't hurt your fingers as well. So let's go through that again then, the middle 8 section, with the left hand, which again is just following the root notes of all of those chords. We have B flat, F, C, B flat, F, and then G. And again, play octaves if you're able to and if you want to pad out the sound a bit more. So let's try that middle 8 section then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then into the chorus. So the last section then is the outro. So the outro leads on from the chorus. Part of the outro is from the chorus. So this bit where we go A minor, G, A minor, and then F, G, C. So in the last little bit, we have A minor for 2 beats, 1, 2, G major for 2 beats, 1, 2, and then at this point, because it's the outro, the music and her singing is starting to really slow down, so doing a rallentando. So all these chords are 2 beats, they're just really drawn out. And then the next chord after that is an F major, and then there is a B flat chord, but it's doing this like bluesy feel, and then back to the F again. And then it ends on a C chord. So that bluesy bit there, so from the F chord, I'm then going to play a B flat in my left hand, and then I'm going to flick from the C to the D, and then play a B flat with it if you can, and then it goes back to the F. So let's try that outro again. To A minor, G major, and then F major, and then the bluesy B flat bit, back to F, and then eventually she ends on a C. So those conclude all the sections then to play this song. As in all of my videos, I've linked the chord song lyric structure in the description below so you can piece all these sections together and play along. So let me know if you found this video helpful. I look forward to talking with you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized piano videos and tutorials such as these. Any song requests, leave them down below, and if they get a good amount of likes then I might do one. So thank you for watching. Bye bye!